I'm always stuck for breakfast ideas in the morning. I often end up skipping breakfast, leaving me feeling super exhausted and flat all day. Overnight oats is the perfect breakfast to make the night before. No cooking involved, full of protein and healthy fats. You can make these ones on batch to last you a few days at a time. It'll give you plenty of energy to get through the day as well. There are plenty of ways to do overnight oat jars. You can check some of those out on our Luvele Life blog. Today I'm going to do a simple peanut butter flavored recipe using some homemade yogurt and almond milk. You could make this fully vegan if you like. There's so many ways that you can change it up. It's a really good way to use your extras laying around in the fridge and pantry as well. This recipe is enough for 2 good sized portions and they'll last in the fridge for up to 3 days. They're super quick to prepare. You can have it all done in just a few short minutes. So we'll start by putting about a teaspoon of peanut butter into the bottom of the jar. Try to find a peanut butter that doesn't have any added sweeteners. Spread it around the edges with the spoon and that'll give you something really nice to dig down into. Now we'll get our oat mix together. We'll go in with 1 cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a cup of homemade yogurt. I've just got a full fat dairy yogurt today. So now I'm going to put in 3/4 of a cup of milk. I've got almond milk today, but you could use any milk you like. Another 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. To sweeten this one up a little bit today, I'm just going to use a tablespoon of maple syrup. You could use honey if you like. You could also use dates or any other type of fruit to sweeten it up. Finally, just a pinch of salt will help to really lift the flavor. That's it, give it a mix and we can put it straight into our jars. So just spoon the mix straight into the jars on top of that peanut butter. These will sit in the fridge overnight and the chia and oats will soak up all that liquid, giving it a really nice smooth and soft texture by the morning. Give them a clean up around the edges. You can then just cover them up, or if you're using a jar, just chuck the lid straight on. They can then go straight in the fridge and they'll be ready for you by morning. So in the morning, you've got breakfast ready and waiting for you in the fridge. The perfect grab and go option if you're in a rush. These are good just like this. Add your favorite toppings if you like. I'm going to use some banana and cacao nibs to finish mine off today. These have turned out really awesome, so if you struggle for breakfast ideas or you just have no time, then we've got you sorted. Give these ones a go at home. If you're interested in trying some different flavors, then check those out on the blog. Hit subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, we'll see you next week for another Luvele Life recipe.